Now, when you come to TikTok, I want you to know how to search for videos that you're going to be re-uploading or be repurposing. So this is how to search for the videos. You come to this search button up here. You see this here, yeah, that icon. You tap on it. It's going to take you to where you're going to search. Now, what you're going to be searching for is a keyword called making money online. See, making money in Nigeria, marketing, anything that has to do with making money also. So that's what you're going to search. So first of all, you search making money, and then you're now going to scroll to this hashtag. So with this hashtag, you're going to get a lot of hashtag that it's um tallies with making money, and you're going to see all the results. You can see these are the views. So see this one, this making money, the one that is at the top is one with 15k. This one too, here it has what's the name, this one too. Here you can see some are very, this one 10 million, this one to 7.0 million. So then so you just tap on, let's tap on this one with 7 million. Let's see, this is okay, this is South Africa, making money in South Africa, but this is Nigeria, since we're in Nigeria. So now here you're going to see a lot of videos that you can repurpose with this keyword making money. So you're going to strategically look for videos that you can repurpose, videos that you can edit and repurpose them. So you can see something like this one showing, let me show you. Something like this is something that is easy for you to repurpose, and you see it's 4 days ago that it was posted. So if we tap on it, let's see.
Did you know that you can make money like this you are seeing on my screen live?
So now something like this, you can repurpose it, and what you have to do is just to download it like how I showed you how to download without the watermark. And then when you download it, you go to edit it. Now let's go to CapCut, because this is what I told you people to download, this app. Yeah, this app. So let's tap on it and enter. Let me show you an example of what I've just edited, a video that I've just edited. So now when we enter this video, you're going to see this is a video I edited.
If you think making money online with your smartphone is not possible, it is possible with this platform called Pocket. Now let me show you how to create your account and make money with this platform.
So notice how I shifted the editing. So here the person is not talking again. I'm now giving information, and I now tallied it and change the whole thing with my own video, with my own referral, and this is just the result. You can see. So what again have I done? You see here it says chat me on WhatsApp. I will show you the secrets and how to make big money on Hawkit. So now I'm repurposing this content, re-editing it, and then channeling yeah it to people that need it. And what this is going to do here is going to send people that are interested, that have watched it to the end, to my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp, so they chat me, and then they'll now see that they're interested. So this is exactly what you will be doing on your new TikTok page. Now some people will say some people now will say, Victor, but
Every small business.
Victor, I have a TikTok account, and let me just go back to the money making account. So I have a TikTok account, and I don't want to. So some people will say, Victor, I have a normal TikTok account. How can I continue with that TikTok account? I don't want to make a new TikTok account. It's very simple. You can see what people are doing literally. When let's see whether I've saved anything. Okay, see this video now. What this lady is doing. Let me show you what this lady is doing. What this lady is doing. This one here. When we tap on it.
Hi there, Cassie here. So today I'm going to show you how you can be earning 10,000 naira on a daily basis.
Good. So making videos like this too, you can see she says she wants to show us how we can be earning 10,000 naira on a daily. So these are things that you can be smuggling in your videos. Now it doesn't stop you from still putting your videos. Let's say maybe you're a dancer or anything, you can be dancing and then you can now advertise certain things. Now advertising, you can see this other one too.
Hi guys, this is my Lenify account.
Good. So you see she's advertising something that she's going to gain people. You can see, let's go to chat comment. You see, I'm interested, and you see she's just leaving these people. Now one thing you can do here is to just to come here. That is when someone says interested. After you've posted a video, you can now type, okay, chat me. You can just say chat me on WhatsApp here with this number, and then put your number. You can put your number 080, and then you put your number and then send. So that is what you're going to do. For every one of them, you reply them, and you can even come and reply these certain people here that are under here. And that is just the marketing on TikTok. I hope you're understanding me. That is the whole marketing on TikTok. So now let's go back to this place, and now this app here is very simple to use. It's very simple to use. What you're going to do now, let's say when you enter the app, this is how you're going to see. So what you're going to do is you register on the app, and when you register on the app, you just tap on this new project. When you tap on a new project, then you're now going to tap on any video you want to edit. Let's say this one and this one you want to edit, then you add them both. So here, let's say you want to cut certain places that you don't want. You tap on a particular video, come to this splits, and then you now tap on this one that you don't want and then delete it. It's very simple and straightforward to edit. So you go to places that you don't want. Now if you don't want the volume like what I did, what you're going to do is to you tap on the video again that you want to make effect, and scroll, come to volume, reduce all the volume. That is if you don't want volume to be playing. You see there's no volume now. What you can do here is to add your own volume. Let me show you now how I'm going to add my own volume, my own what I'm talking. So you now come down, you come out of it, and then come down to audio, and then come down to this record here. Now you tap on this record and record things that you want to repurpose. So now let's tap on it, and then you see it's going to count. Let me record something. So okay, so let's tap on it and see. I don't know why it's not playing. So tap. Okay, it's probably because I'm recording this video, that is why it's not playing. But what you're going to do is when you press on play, you see that it's going to just be moving, and then you'll now be saying things. So you can say something like, okay guys, if you want to know how to make this kind of money, I'm going to show you guys in this video. So you see you're repurposing this video, and then you're using your own voice on it. So you're going to now talk, okay, I'm going to show you guys how to make this amount of money. First of all, you have to register. Then you now make your own video. You use your recorder to make your own video. Now the best recorder you can use is called this recorder. Let me show you guys. This is what I'm using to record. This Z recorder. See this Z recorder. So you can now use it to record your own screen, showing people how to register, and then using your own affiliate link, and that is how you can help them to register and gain something. So I hope you guys have gained something from this.